Work out 6.3 times 2.4. This is question 18 from the November 2023 Edexcel Foundation Paper 1. In this video, I'll show you how to multiply decimals using place value and fractions. Now, 6.3 is the same as 63 tenths. And 2.4 is the same as 24 tenths. So that means we can rewrite these as 63 tenths, so that means 63 over 10, and 24 tenths is 24 over 10, so 24 tenths. Right, so this question here, 6.3 times 2.4, can be rewritten as 63 over 10 times 24 over 10. Now, when you're multiplying two fractions, all we need to do is multiply the two numerators and then multiply the two denominators. So this will give us 63 times 24 over 10 times 10. So to work out 63 times 24, you can use whichever method you like. I'll be using the grid method. So here's my grid. So my 63, I'm going to write 60 and 3 here. 60 and 3. And for 24, I'm going to have 20 and 4. So 3 times 20 is 60. 3 times 4 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. And we have these two zeros. And 60 times 4 is 240. So to get our answer, we just need to add all these products. So we go 1,200 plus 60 plus 240 plus 12. So this will give me 1,000 plus 200, 400. And then I'm going to add the tens. 40 plus 60 plus 10, 110. And finally the ones, so add the 2. So this is 1,512. So this gives us 1,512. And we know that 10 times 10 is 100. Now, 1,512 over 100 is the same as saying 1,512 divided by 100. Now, when we're dividing by a power of 10, we move our decimal point to the left. So starting with 1512, our decimal point is currently here. So if you can't see your decimal point, means it's behind the last digit. Right, so the decimal point is currently here, and we need to do 2 jumps to the left because we are dividing. So if we go 1, 2, puts the decimal point between 5 and 1. So our final answer is 15.12. Now we can check our answer using estimation. So 6.3 is approximately or around 6, and 2.4 is approximately 2. And 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 is close to 15.12. So this answer makes sense. This question is worth 3 marks. There's a method mark for the correct multiplication. The second mark is an accuracy mark for the digits 1512, and an accuracy mark for the correct placement of the decimal point. If you found this video useful, then you should watch this one next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.